Friends, good evening and namaskar. Welcome to this weekly briefing in the virtual format.
मधुरेंद्र फ्रॉम न्यूज़ नेशन इज आस्किंग, भारत से अब तक कितने देशों को कोविड वैक्सीन भेजी जा चुकी है? आने वाले दिनों में और कितने देशों को वैक्सीन भेजी? भारत पाकिस्तान को भी वैक्सीन सप्लाई करेगा? सिमिलर क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम पंकज यादव.
We have so far supplied vaccines to Bhutan, Maldives, Bangladesh, Nepal, Myanmar, Mauritius, Seychelles, Sri Lanka, the UAE, Brazil, Morocco, Bahrain, Oman, Egypt, Algeria, Kuwait and South Africa. So this is by way of further update. I had provided you an update last week also. These supplies have been made under grant. The supplies which have been made under grant assistance amount to 56 lakh doses, and supplies which have been made on a commercial basis, they amount to over 100 lakh doses. So this is the list of countries where we have already supplied on grant as well as on commercial basis. And our external supplies of vaccine is an ongoing process depending on availability and domestic requirements. We will continue to supply in the coming. In terms of countries where our supplies will reach, the next set of supplies are for CARICOM countries, which is the Caribbean, Pacific Island states, Nicaragua, Afghanistan and Mongolia. नीरज, पाकिस्तान के रिक्वेस्ट के बारे में मुझे कोई जानकारी नहीं है.
How many foreign missions have agreed to be part of the vaccination offer by India is included in it?
Siddhant, I think you are referring to the proposal to vaccinate foreign diplomats, and we have offered to vaccinate all members of the diplomatic corps accredited to India with Indian-made vaccines. The modalities like the time frame, the venue, etc. are being worked out at this stage, and the program will cover all eligible foreign diplomats and their family members. The prioritization, of course, will be in accordance with the protocol established for Indian nationals. In terms of numbers, and the response from missions is still being collated, and I do not have details with regard to specific countries.
Daria from Sputnik is asking, would the MEA like to react to Japan's reported reluctance to invite India in an expanded G7 summit scheduled to be held in UK later this year? Similar reservations have also been expressed by some European diplomats as per media reports.
Well, we've seen these media reports. As per our information, these media reports are inaccurate.
Here from CNN News 18 is asking, has a high-level security and investigation team from Israel arrived in India to assist with the investigation of blast outside Israel Embassy in New Delhi? What's the latest update on the investigation so far? Does India suspect an Iranian hand?
Aditya, what I can tell you is that the investigation into this terror attack is still underway. The security at the Israeli embassy and other locations has since been strengthened. You would recall that PM Netanyahu on 1st of February conveyed his strong condemnation of the attack and assured that all measures will be taken to ensure the safety and security of Israeli diplomats and the premises of the embassy. He also conveyed that every effort would be made to find and punish the perpetrators of the attack. So that is the information that I have, which I can share with you. Any further questions?
No further questions, sir.
Thank you. So this concludes the weekly briefing.